Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily withdraw crypto from your Binance account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to bottom right and click wallets, and then go to the middle and click withdraw, and then you have crypto. So search history, or you just simply click BNB, it doesn't matter, and then you just add a address to which you want to withdraw. If I have saved some, I can select it, or I can use new address, or I can simply add it here. I would add the amount, and then I can withdraw it. My recommendation is when you're going to withdraw whatever crypto coin you want to actually focus on not just withdraw small amount first, then withdraw everything else. Don't withdraw your whole account only because then something's gonna happen that you don't want, that you're gonna get lost, you're gonna send it on bad address, and the always receiver needs to be BNB. So when I'm going to withdraw Bitcoin, I need to add here Bitcoin address. Never forget it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.